In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to remove payment method due to active subscription on iPhone. If you're stuck because your Apple ID says there's an active subscription, I'll walk you through 3 approaches in order, starting with a quick workaround and moving to the official fix. First, try a temporary workaround that can force Apple to drop the current payment method by changing your country or region. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then go to Media and Purchases and choose View Account. Next, tap Country, Region, then change country or region. Pick a different country from the list. If your current country is already selected, choose another one just for now. Tap Agree in the top right and tap Agree again to confirm. When the payment screen appears, choose None as the payment method. Enter your billing name and address as requested. Tap Next and follow the on-screen prompts to finish. This action removes the existing payment method automatically. Keep in mind, this is a workaround. You may need to add a new payment method later, and you might not be able to change regions if you have active subscriptions or a remaining Apple ID balance. If region change isn't allowed, move to the next solution. The recommended and official fix is to cancel active subscriptions tied to your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions. Find the app with the active subscription, tap it, choose Cancel Subscription, and confirm. Repeat for any other active subscriptions. Once they're canceled and have fully expired at the end of the current billing period, you'll be able to remove your payment method without issues. This path is the safest because it resolves the underlying reason Apple is blocking the removal. If you've tried the above and still can't make changes, use a last resort, reset all settings. This won't delete your apps, photos, or data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi networks and preferences. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm Reset All Settings again. After your iPhone restarts, return to your Apple ID payment settings and try removing or updating the payment method. Done. After using one of these solutions, you should be able to remove or change your payment method successfully. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.